started love. I've had too much to drink, had too much time to think. So leave me alone. Crying when you're by yourself, 'cause of what they think about you. Next time, go slow, slow, slow. Yeah.
Next time go slow, 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 slow.
Something's gotta give soon, or I'm gonna lose it. Substance abusing and never come down, down. Fall out the deep end and forget my English. What's the point of language if you don't say what you feel? So with that being said,
To all the bitch assholes that hate me the most, oh yeah, I hate you too. To all the punk ass bugs that just wanna talk shit, I hate you too. To all the high class.
Wow, Cristina Llantas 2. Qué bestia, qué bestia.
And mimosas, champagne and cocaine, how could get me through?
10 in the morning and I'm skipping breakfast and drinking a beverage to ignore it all. 'Cause ignorance is bliss and I've come to embrace it. It's all overrated.